In this tutorial, I'll show you how to remove a Netflix account from your Samsung Smart TV, which can be helpful for privacy or switching profiles. Start by turning on your Samsung Smart TV and navigating to the Netflix app using your remote. Open the app, but do not log in if you're already signed out. Press the up arrow on your remote to bring up the hidden menu at the top of the screen. Select Sign Out to remove the current account from the app. Confirm your choice when prompted. If you want to completely uninstall Netflix, go to the Apps section on your TV's home screen, find the Netflix app, and press the Options button on your remote, or equivalent. Select Delete or Uninstall to remove the app entirely. To reinstall or sign in with a new account, simply download the app again from the Samsung App Store and log in with your preferred credentials. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips. Thanks for watching, and enjoy managing your Netflix accounts with ease.